Jesse Louis Jackson, a civil rights advocate from the US, reflected on the benefits of inclusion when he said that, when everyone is included, everyone wins. This was the guiding principle for the work conducted in this project.
We had to target and design for a group that we felt or we found in the research to be unserved in comparison to other groups. During our research, we came up with very interesting issues, and there was one common factor between all of them, and that was that they were all experienced by international students. So, for example, we found that internationals
were often misrepresented by the media. They also often had issues with incorporation and integration into a new society, and they also were affected by people's inability to empathize with them.
In our research and international students, we decided that this was the appropriate audience to target. And given our connection with UQ, it was going to be fairly easy to just focus on UQ and its community.
This is how You on the Map became to existence. UQ has around 13,000 international students from 141 different countries. Most international students are from China, Thailand, and Singapore. However, many of these students never get to meet or interact with each other. We wanted to find a way to connect members of this community.
We considered several concepts, but after careful consideration, we decided to have a locked-in winner, You on the Map.
You on the Map is a project that consists of an installation and a website. The installation is a screen that allows members of the UQ community to include their details onto a database. The interface of the screen will allow users to explore a world map that includes details, photos, and connections of users who have entered their details previously. There will be several installations around the UQ campus for students to use.
Okay, and so for the main task, I want you to find a way to add yourself to the map.
The user can also tap the button Add You. So the idea behind it is that the user can also become part of the installation as a red dot by inputting the information. So when they click Add You, they get the fields that they need to use to add themselves to the installation, and they get the keyboard as well.
Once a user has entered their details onto the interface console, they will be able to access the website through an email or a QR code. On the website, they will be able to search for other users based on interests or geographic location. Connections can be created, which will enable functions like creating of groups and messaging.
If we can close the gap in distance between UQ students and try to break physical barriers between them, we will consider our job done. If you would like to know more about this project, please head to our website.